This is Josh with BUGCO Pest Control. Today we will cover mosquito misting systems. So let's start from the beginning. Here we have the Drummond Pump. The drum is 55 gallons and usually placed outside of the site, on the side of the house, or behind the garage. On top is the control panel, very easy to use and is here to assist you in setting up automatic spraying. We ideally specify times to target specific pests. In the case of mosquitoes, we set the system to spray for 30 to 40 seconds at dusk, dawn, and at midnight. In the off chance of needing some extra protection during a summer day, we offer a wireless remote with every new system so you can do a quick repellent spray before going outside. So from the drum, the pump pushes the insecticide through neatly placed tubing which is installed under eaves, through gardens, and even the fence line. Eave installation is great for coverage. It allows the insecticide to flow with the wind to increase your coverage area, as well as get the treatment to your gutters. And if you didn't know, dirty gutters are a great breeding site for mosquitoes. From the eaves, we usually tee off to the fence line. The fence line, yet again, increases your coverage area. It's a great way to have some protection from neighboring breeding sites. This extra barrier can really make a difference, allowing you to enjoy your yard or outdoor experience. They do more than just control and reduce mosquitoes. They also repel a large number of wasps, spiders, as well, making your overall outdoor experience a pleasant one. What makes our systems better than your store-bought systems is BUGCO's maintenance package. With every installation, we offer quarterly maintenance of nozzles, cleaning of the tank, and as well as a full pest control service and termite inspection. This will free up your time so you can enjoy your backyard with the family or guest. Prices vary, but a typical mosquito misting system with 20 nozzles starts at $1,800 with installation. Call BUGCO Pest Control today for a free quote on your mosquito misting system.